Let's take a look at this example. We have given series circuit which contains voltage source and two resistors. We have given also voltage drops, across these resistors, and we're supposed to find voltage source. So let's take a look what we have given. V12, so this is voltage across resistor R1. And we have also voltage V24. Voltage V24 is the voltage drop across these two resistors. And we have given V45. So this is voltage drop across resistor R4. We're supposed to start solving this problem from writing KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law. Voltage source is the sum of the voltages across the resistors. So we have V12, so this is voltage across resistor R1, plus V24, so this is the voltage across these two resistors, plus V45. Okay, so we have this voltage plus these two voltages together plus this one has to give me voltage source. So this is going to be equal 32 volts plus 41 volts plus 12 volts is equal 85 volts. So we found the voltage source, and this is the solution to my problem.